Hi everyone, today I'm gonna make some kimchi with my mom. So these are the cabbages already salted for 12 hours and we washed it several times. The onions I already sliced and these are the garlic. We are gonna mix it with the food processor. I've got some gingers here, so I'm gonna mix it with the food processor like I did to garlic. Here are the radish we julienne already, and then I made some soup with a sweet rice. Next, I'm gonna put some chili powder on the radish. So it's about 2.5 cups for 2 big radishes. So my mom is mixing all of them. These are radishes, chili powder, and onions. So we added another 2 cups of chili powders and then keep mixing it. And after that, I put the sweet rice soup that I already showed you before. So we're gonna mix it all together. So we put some green onions, a lot of green onions, and the minced garlic and gingers. And we are gonna put some fish sauce, which is I use organic. Now I poured I pulled 1 cup of fish sauce, and we are gonna taste it while we are mixing it. So if we did not think salty enough, then we pour some more. So let's see. Yeah, it was not salty enough, so I'm pouring another 1 cup of fish sauce. This is the 3rd time I pour another 1 cup of fish sauce. So totally I poured 3 cups. 3 cups of fish sauce, I believe. And I believe this is family for you guys. Then now we're gonna put all these ingredients, like the radish, to the cabbage, like one by one, like one leaf. You put this ingredient inside of the under the one leaf, and the other leaf, like So pull them like you think like you're coloring the cabbage, white cabbage into the red. So you put some of this under this one and next one like this. So I'm gonna make it and I will show you later. So here we are. We piled up all the kimchi into the container. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 containers here. So we are ready for the whole year of kimchi. I think it is. Yeah, I think these are enough for 1 year though. So thank you for watching today. Thank you. See you again.